Hello friends, it's Brandy and today I'm working on a layout for Hip Kit Club. I'm using the beautiful May 2024 main kit, embellishment kit, and pocket life kit to document a gender reveal photo. I have this piece of scrap here that I want to use, so I'm just going to square it up and place it in the center of that hexagon paper. These colors and patterns remind me of a baby boy, so I thought they'd be perfect for this layout. I backed my photo with a piece from the Pocket Life kit that has all of the colors on it that match the elements I've pulled out for this page. I'm mostly focused on that deep blue color, especially with the vellum florals because it stands out a little bit better on that peachy orangey background. This was a gender reveal for our son Brendan and his wife that my husband and I hosted at our house. She had a lot of family here, and this was our first time meeting them. So, a lot of these elements that I'm using on this page make perfect sense once you understand what's going on behind the scenes of the photo. I'm just taking some time here to get everything arranged the way I want it, and then I go off camera to glue it all down. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my title. I'm not through building this cluster yet, but I want to go ahead and get my title down so that it feels incorporated into the cluster. I'm also working my way down from the large items to the small items. And usually the stickers are the smaller items, so it's pretty customary for me to place them last. But I have the basic shape of the cluster down and I have plenty of room to add all of the other items that I want. I love this little puffy word phrase that says it was awesome. I think it would be fun to have, like, if we had a whole sheet of these puffy phrase stickers like this. They're so easy to use, and honestly, I think I could have placed it anywhere and it would look like that's exactly where it belonged. I feel like I need to have something to the left of the photo to soften that edge up just a bit. So I'm going to add a puffy sticker that says just what we needed. Because it's round, it feels softer than the straight lines that are there right now. Okay, I spotted this journaling sticker that says a little bird told me, and I had to add it because actually I'm the one that knew the gender a full month before anyone else did. And it wasn't an easy secret to keep either, especially from Daniel. But somehow I managed it though. When I'm building these clusters, I put a lot of weight into what it feels like when I look at it. And right here, it just feels like there should be another item sitting with that puffy sticker. That little vase sticker was the right shape and size, and it pulls a little bit of the pink to that side of the page, and it adds some height to that side also. At this point, I don't really want to add any more florals to the cluster, but I need another frilly thing on that side. I also feel like it needs to be pulled a little more to the left. So I grabbed the blue butterfly washi. I don't want to stick it directly to the page because you can see through it, and that's going to lower the vibrancy of the butterfly a little bit. So I stick it to a piece of smooth white cardstock and fussy cut it out. This also allows me to bend up the wings for more dimension over there too. Now I just take a look at all of the things to see if there is anything else that works for this page. I need another little pop of yellow and some more horizontal elements. So I find some phrases that work really nicely. And of course, I cannot let the opportunity pass me up to add some of these wooden buttons. Plus, I have a few gaps that I feel like just need to be filled in, and these are the perfect items to add to that, to add to those voids. And besides, I like to have a few items that feel a little more organic on my pages. Things like wood and thread almost always get a thumbs up from me. Now I'm just adding the final little touches. I end up trading the epoxy banner for a vellum piece off camera, but I really like the stars because I have stars on my paper, but nowhere else on the layout. And that's it. I'm all done. In case you guys missed it, I'm giving away a March 2024 main kit. I announced it in a video a couple of days ago, and the random drawing will be on June the 17th. So if you're interested, you can check out that short video on my channel to get all of the details about how to win. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you have a lovely, crafty day. Bye-bye.